Hello, I hope this video finds you well. This video we are going to complete this Codingbat problem really quickly. We're not really interested here in understanding how it works. If you're interested in that, you can take a look at the video solution on my channel. And then we're going to kind of take that function and put it into the tools file. In my class, we develop tools files, which are just collections of functions that let us practice our coding skills. One of the things I encourage students to do is when they write a Codingbat problem, which if you know me, you know I love Codingbat, is to take that and copy it into a separate Python file, because that shows you how what you're doing online in Codingbat is actually Python programming, what you're doing on your computer. So let's do this. Okay, so this is a really simple flowchart that's going to a solution for this. I know this is overkill for this problem. We could one-line it, of course, but we're not going to, just because those students who are learning initially need a little bit more space or a couple more steps. So what this Codingbat problem does is, given a string, kitten, and index, it removes that index from the string. So I'm going to say front equals str from 0 to n. That's going to take everything from index 0 to n exclusive. Remember, inclusive, exclusive. And then I'm going to say back is equal to str from n to the end of the string. This is a shorthand notation in Python where it will take everything from n, and that should be n plus 1 because I want to be inclusive of n plus 1, pardon me, to the end of the string. And then I'm going to say result equals front plus back, and I'll return result. And if I hit go, it should work. Let's take a look. Sure enough, there it is. And there it is. There's our first step. First line is here. There's our step. Second line, there it is. Third line, there it is. And fourth line, there it is. Okay, so let's take this now and let's put this into our tools file. So I'm going to highlight that and copy it. I'm going to come over to my tools file, and I'm just going to paste it. And I always like to kind of remove the spaces and indent it. And that's it. I have a second tool now, which is called missing char. Let's comment this. Codingbat problem, and that way I know. And quite frankly, in my class, I don't need you to comment anything else. There it is. So let's put some test code. I'm going to comment out this test code for this other one. And I'm going to say test code for missing char. And I can actually take the test code here. Let's just take these examples right here. So we're going to copy those, paste those. Of course, I have to get rid of that. And of course, I have to get rid of this. And missing char returns something, but I have to print that out so we can see it. So I'm going to say print missing char kitten 1, print missing char kitten 0, and print missing char kitten 4, close that brackets, and save it. Let's open up our terminal. Just give me a second. So I'm going to right click on this folder, or I'm going to go into Year 10 Design, Tools, New Terminal App Folder. There it is, ls. There's my tools.py, and I'm going to say Python 3 tools pm.py. And there's our test cases. So again, this is very quick. Please ask me some questions, but the goal of this is just to see how to take those Codingbat problems that are so wonderful and put them into our tools class. It's really good practice, and it gets you comfortable with organizing, thinking about the structure of your code. Hope this video helped. Have a great day.